The way brands grow has changed forever. In 2025, a digital-first approach isn't just an option. It's a necessity. Brands that are failing to adapt risk becoming obsolete. But how do you thrive in this fast-evolving digital landscape? In this video, we are breaking down the key strategies you need to future-proof your brand, build lasting customer relationships, and stay ahead of your competition. Digital adaptability is no longer about just adopting new tools. It's about a complete mindset shift. The brands winning today are those that integrate AI, predictive analytics, and automation seamlessly into the strategy. AI-driven personalization has become the industry standard. Companies like Nike are leveraging AI to integrate mobile app data in store experience, boosting customer engagement by 250%. If your brand isn't harnessing AI for customer insights, product recommendations, and real-time engagement, you are already behind. But this is not just about automation. It's also about humanizing the digital experience. Brands like Liquid Death and ELF Cosmetics have mastered the art of blending AI-powered efficiency with authentic, community-driven storytelling. And the key takeaway is that they leverage AI for speed, but never lose sight of the human touch. Consumers don't think in channels anymore. They move seamlessly from social media to e-commerce to physical stores. In fact, 73% of shoppers use multiple touchpoints before making a purchase. The brands winning today are those that connect these experiences flawlessly. Take TikTok and Instagram, for example. Social commerce platforms are now the front line of discovery and conversion. Live stream shopping and shoppable posts now drive 45% of mobile commerce revenue. Meanwhile, brands like Zara are using AI-powered inventory systems to reduce markdowns by 30% and optimize product availability across all locations. But technology alone isn't enough. Your internal teams need to be aligned across every channel. Amazon and Target have introduced cross-functional customer journey teams, ensuring that whether a customer is online, in-store, or using a mobile app, the experience is consistent, personalized, and friction-free. 81% of customers don't trust traditional advertising anymore. The power has shifted. People trust people. Brands that harness user-generated content, micro-influencer partnership, and authentic reviews are outperforming those relying on polished ad campaigns. Take Glossier, one of the best examples of a brand built entirely on user-generated content. Their approach is unfiltered customer testimonials, organic engagement, and a community-driven product strategy. And their result is a multi-million-dollar brand that thrives without traditional advertising. Meanwhile, micro-influencers, those with 10,000 to 100,000 followers, are outperforming celebrity endorsements. Why, you may ask? Because their audiences are more engaged, 42% more likely to click through on their recommendations, and they feel authentic. Brands like CeraVe have mastered this by collaborating with dermatologists and real skincare enthusiasts instead of mainstream celebrities. Looking ahead, 3 major trends are reshaping the way brands interact with consumers: augmented reality, voice search, and decentralized social platforms. By 2026, AR shopping will influence $120 billion in sales. IKEA's Place app, which lets users visualize furniture in their home, has already cut product return rates by 22% while increasing average order value. Meanwhile, voice search is booming. Over 55% of households now use smart speakers, and brands optimizing for voice-friendly content are seeing 35% faster checkout times. Companies like Domino's Pizza have already streamlined the ordering process through Alexa, making it effortless for customers to place an order in seconds. Lastly, social media is shifting away from traditional platforms. Consumers are moving to decentralized platforms like Blue Sky and Mastodon, where they have more control over content and engagement. Early adopters like Patagonia are already experimenting with these platforms to build niche communities without relying on algorithms. The brands leading in 2025 are those that embrace technology without losing authenticity. If you want to future-proof your brand, here's what to focus on. Number 1, AI-powered personalization. Use AI to enhance, not replace human engagement. Number 2, omnichannel integration. Ensure seamless, connected customer experiences across every touchpoint. Number 3, social proof and community trust. Leverage user-generated content, micro-influencers, and transparent branding. Number 4, future-proofing with AR and voice search. Prepare for the next wave of digital transformation now. The brands winning today are those rewriting the rules, one digital interaction at a time. And let's keep the conversation going. Comment below and tell me, what's the biggest digital shift your brand is preparing for? Let's talk.